It is Song of the Week time.
All right.
And for a lot of people listening, this is the last day of school or the final day at work.
Yes.
At least for the lucky ones, before they take a few days off to celebrate the main holiday of the year that centers around food.
I mean, honestly.
Thanksgiving!
I love this holiday.
We are talking about Thanksgiving.
God, this is going to make me hungry just talking about it.
I love how we eat so much we get 2 days off.
Yeah.
It's a tradition. I know a lot of you probably wanted me to sing about nutritional goals and healthy meal substitutes like
sorry.
tofurkey
Wow.
and baked cucumber and kidney bean casserole.
God.
But it's not happening.
Good.
Not
Good.
this year, not doing that. Because
Good.
believe it or not, there's something more important than food. And that's
Than food.
spending time with family.
I was going to say.
Sorry, I didn't mean to say that. What I meant to say was the cringeworthy, stress-inducing, horribly awkward moments that you have to suffer through with your family.
Yay.
I mean, you have to give through one to get to the other.
I mean, really, that is what Thanksgiving is all about.
Yeah.
Because when you're
Yes.
looking back on past gatherings, sure, you might remember like specific foods or dishes that you liked or that you look forward to every year.
Always.
But the moments that live forever up in your mind are those little mini holiday disasters.
Yeah.
That just
for
seem
sure.
to pop up every single time you go home and sit down around that dinner table.
Oh, my
Something's
God.
going to go weird or wrong.
Like
Dude.
the year my mom took the pot roast out 2 hours early for some reason.
Dude.
And we all had to microwave slices of meat.
Exactly.
Or how about last year when my sister-in-law hosted and managed to literally not cook one thing?
No way.
She was literally
Not
gone.
at all?
Not one thing.
My family last year, we cooked so long, we didn't start eating till midnight.
Ah,
That's how long
that's
the turkey
bad.
cooked.
That's
that.
a sin.
It was the worst oven ever. But
Yeah.
anyway, those are the moments that you
Yeah.
just look back on and remember. And I thought I could sing a song that brings all of them to light.
Oh, let's go for dysfunction, Jeff.
It's in one crazy experience. So instead of doing Doja Cat's smash hit, I Paint the Town Red. It's
Love that
Young
song.
Jeffrey's This Turkey Ain't Dead.
Uh-oh.
Oh, no.
Uh-oh. That's why you didn't eat till midnight. I get it now. This is a real personal tale.
Yeah.
Little
Kill
moments
it
of
first.
truth sprinkled throughout this.
Oh, my
but
goodness.
this is for all the family Thanksgivings that we're going to just have to suffer through.
Yay.
Good luck, everybody. I'm on the point when I'm ready. Point.
Yeah, it's my holiday dread. This Thanksgiving called a code red. Checked inside the oven and said, I don't think this turkey's quite dead. Itch that scratch on my head. Bird hopped off the stove and it fled. Skin so tan it looked like Club Med. Don't freak out, just call up the vet. We're in peril, cause the bird turned out to be feral. Ran through Uncle Darryl. Now the stuffing really isn't sterile. Auntie Carol, drinking Sauvignon Blanc by the barrel. Only noon, she don't care though. Had to take her home in a wheelbarrow. Yeah, my Thanksgiving is all a calamity. Spending one whole day with my family. Uncle Larry quoting Sean Hannity. Oh good lord, here comes the profanities. Our whole kitchen looks like a travesty. Gordon Ramsay minus the pageantry. House cat napping inside the bird's cavity. Tin foil in the microwave tragically. Uncle's brand new girlfriend by his side. Met her in the district of red light. Says he wanna make her his new bride. Nana Doris choked and went bug-eyed. Ugh, you're telling me to go sit where? Ugh, down at the kids' table right there. Ugh, I'm 35, you are aware. Ugh, next to my niece in a lawn chair. 6 straight year that Aunt Jen brought her female roommate again. Swears that they're just really good friends. Kick back in their Doca Martens. Oops, my face just turned red. Thought that I used sugar, I did. It was laundry powder instead. Dad didn't care, still ate that cornbread. Ooh, watching cable, see my football team score a bagel. While our dogs on the table, running off with a bowl of sweet potatoes. Ooh, another fail. Got a phone call from our Uncle Dale. He's being held at the jail. Papa Lou didn't want to pay the bail. Yeah, pop that mouthful of turkey legs. Gonna put my new Skims to the sturdy test. Getting so much bloat from the gravy fest. Make a Macy's Day float, feel a bit jealous. I'ma make a small talk with my cousin Liz. I don't know, but if that's a little flirtatious. On my pant leg, I can feel her foot grazes. Made a promise that we'd stop after 2 bases. Same time last year, the whole place was charred. Fried up a turkey and torched the yard. Burned the garage up in Mama's car. Brown liquid, not my Hershey bar. I can't sleep no more. Grandpa Doug's got the demon snores. We so loud that he shakes the doors. Earplugs in, couldn't block the roars. I switch wine from white to red. Mom says, why aren't you married yet? Don't want kids, she asked my girlfriend. Not with him, she says under breath. Whoops, this whiskey is dead. Split a fifth with my Uncle Ned. Passed out 1 foot shy of his bed. Took a Sharpie and drew on his head. Never mellow. Grandma Mabel's getting more forgetful. She set her wig in the jello. Tried to call a cab with the stiletto. When we're settled, Dad's speech got a little sentimental. Cause he cried, and not a little. More toast than a breakfast continental. Too much wine. Pecan pie. Just one more bite. Hot, hot, hot.
Yeah! That was so good.
Oh my God, Jeff, it was amazing.
That's a new anthem for
Oh,
Thanksgiving.
it was so lyrically dense.